Is $400,000 a good amount for Gold IRA investment? Is safeguarding your retirement savings important? Many investors are considering a Gold IRA as a reliable way to protect their future, but is $400,000 the right amount to invest? Gold IRAs provide stability during times of inflation and economic uncertainty, but it's essential to determine the right investment amount. Let's explore whether $400,000 is the optimal amount for a Gold IRA investment. Understanding a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold and other precious metals. Unlike traditional IRAs that hold stocks or bonds, a Gold IRA focuses on tangible assets that can help protect against inflation and economic downturns. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Evaluating $400,000 for a Gold IRA. 1. Diversification and portfolio balance. Allocating $400,000 to a Gold IRA could be a significant portion of your total portfolio. While gold is a stable asset, it's important not to overinvest in one category. A balanced portfolio typically includes a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. 2. Economic considerations. Gold tends to perform well during economic uncertainty or inflationary periods. If you expect prolonged inflation or instability, a $400,000 investment in gold can help preserve your wealth. However, gold may not perform as well during times of economic growth compared to equities. 3. Liquidity needs. Gold IRAs involve physical gold, which can be harder to convert into cash quickly. It's important to ensure you have enough liquidity in other investments before locking $400,000 in a Gold IRA. Key benefits of a Gold IRA. 1. Inflation protection. Gold retains its purchasing power over time. 2. Portfolio stability. Gold can balance your portfolio during market turbulence. 3. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred growth. Potential drawbacks. 1. Storage fees. Gold IRAs require secure storage in IRS-approved depositories. 2. Price fluctuations. While gold is less volatile than stocks, its price can still change. 3. No passive income. Gold does not generate dividends or interest. Strategic allocation. A common recommendation is to invest 5 to 20% of your retirement portfolio in precious metals. For a $2 million portfolio, $400,000 represents the upper end of this range, 20%. $400,000 can be a smart investment for those seeking stability and inflation protection. However, ensure it aligns with your financial goals and consult a financial advisor before making a decision. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.